Ready for the ultimate boutique dress? This stunning pattern is a total game changer and looks amazing in any length. It's chic, professional, and you're going to love it. Let's start drafting. Now we close the side dart and transfer it to the underbust dart. In the next step, we will identify and design every single piece of the pattern. For each piece, we must include all the essential information. We will mark the center front line and the side seam clearly. Then we will number each pattern piece and draw the grain line to ensure the fabric hangs perfectly. This organized approach is the secret to a professional boutique finish. This design must be fully lined for a professional finish. I am drafting a 4 cm wide facing for both the front and back patterns. This facing will be cut from the main fabric and then sewn to the lining. This technique ensures that the main fabric is visible inside the garment for a clean and luxurious look. Now add the clothing length to your pattern according to your personal style. As always, I have provided the specific length measurements for this model in the description box. Make sure to check them for the perfect fit. This dress looks stunning whether you choose a shorter or a longer version. To make the skirt narrower, mark 1 to 1.5 centimeters inward and connect it to the hip line. If you prefer a wider skirt, mark 1 to 2 centimeters outward from the hemline and then draft the new line. This small adjustment allows you to customize the flare exactly how you like it. But for this design, I want a standard straight skirt. So I will not add or subtract anything from the original pattern. At this stage, I will mark the exact position for the zipper placement on the pattern. For this garment, just like the main pattern, we must cut all the pattern pieces once more from the lining fabric. As usual, the first step for the sleeve is checking the garment's armhole and the sleeve cap measurements. Now start by making a copy of your basic sleeve pattern. Then follow the tutorial from my two-piece jacket sleeve video to transform it. I have placed the link in the description for you to check. It is very simple to do and will make your dress look professional. Once you finish, you will have a perfect tailored sleeve. I hope you enjoyed designing this stunning boutique dress with me today. Remember to check the description for the sleeve link and all length measurements. If you create this look, please share your results with me. To support my channel and these tutorials, please consider joining our community through the membership link in the description. Thank you so much for your support. I am Lady Bird Designer.